Welcome to Pando, an online platform that harnesses the power of network maps and feedback surveys to help your organization improve its impact. Here's how it works. This is Esther. She's a program manager at an NGO in Nigeria. She works with civil society organizations to advocate for government policies to hold the oil and natural gas industries accountable for environmental degradation, fiscal and political responsibility, and responsiveness to Niger Delta citizens. As Esther and her team of civil society organizations begin to design advocacy strategies and tactics, they take into consideration numerous factors that affect government decision-making and implementation. These factors include public support and stakeholder collaboration are critical to helping gain momentum and bring the issue to the forefront. Collaboration and feedback are necessary to define a common issue with other changemakers and track progress towards the goal. But that momentum is only useful if key influencers and decision makers are held accountable for changing and enforcing policies affecting citizens. In order to improve accountability and transparency in the extractives industry, Esther needs to understand who are the key influencers and decision makers in this sector, and how are they working together, and what are their current priorities. She also wants to know what are the gaps in civil society's efforts to influence the extractives industry, and what coordinated roles can her team of organizations play. That's where Pando comes in. Using Pando, Esther creates a relationship survey to ask organizations where they go for information or resources related to accountability in the extractive industry. As representatives from NGOs, government institutions, and private companies input the names of organizations, Pando automatically generates a network map of the actors and relationships within this advocacy system. Esther uses the filters in Pando to analyze this map and identify key actors, such as the Nigerian National Petroleum Company and state houses of assembly, and resources within the system. She also identifies key brokers who have the ability to connect her with different organizations. Using the network map and directory in Pando, Esther can easily visualize how partnerships with other organizations and institutions could amplify their work and close the gap between civil society and government. Esther also uses feedback surveys to collect and respond to reactions from MAP participants about how organizations work and challenges facing the civil society ecosystem. Finally, Esther uses Pando to periodically track the changes to the network map over time as organizations build new meaningful relationships in their work to improve accountability in Nigeria. Esther is just one of many people around the world who have used Pando to visualize, learn from, and engage with systems, including 1. Advocacy and civil engagement efforts, 2. Agriculture, education, and healthcare sectors, 3. Collective impact initiatives, and many more. Find out how Pando can help your organization improve its impact at mypando.org.